Water that's good for your body, your daily life, and the environment. KANGEN water is gentle on your body and the environment. This revolutionary KANGEN water is produced by the Leveluk KANGEN 8, a continuous ionized KANGEN and strong acidic water generator. KANGEN water produced from the Leveluk KANGEN 8 is excellent for health, containing a balance of 6 different elements, including a high concentration of hydrogen ions, microclusters, and minerals. Leveluk KANGEN 8 enhances our daily lives in 5 areas: safety, hygiene, environment, beauty, and health. With only one touch, the continuous ionized KANGEN and strong acidic water generator, Leveluk KANGEN 8 can make 5 types of water, such as KANGEN water, clean water, beauty water, strong acidic water, and strong KANGEN water. It provides 5 types and 7 levels of electrolyzed water, depending on your needs. This is made possible by a high-powered electrolytic cell with 8 electrode plates. The built-in electrolysis enhancer tank enables it to produce a stable supply of strong acidic water and strong KANGEN water continuously. Additionally, the usability has been improved. The easy-to-see large LCD screen with touch panel is extremely user-friendly. With one touch, any type of electrolyzed water can be easily selected. With visual display and voice guidance in 8 languages, it has never been easier to operate.
KANGEN water 9.5.
You can now rest assured wherever your travels take you with our new multi-voltage input power supply that can work anywhere in the world. Leveluk KANGEN 8 has the power to change your life with KANGEN water. It's time to produce delicious and healthy water at home.